Hi, this is the OPPO F23 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we will see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we could see, the face unlock option works here fast and correct, and we just unlocked the device successfully without any problems. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock method is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes unlock methods. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.